You're cold calling, like you should be, and you get the voicemail. Right idea, wrong thing to do, don't leave a message. Why is it the wrong thing to do to not leave a message? Because there's a lot of people, there's a big camp out there that says don't leave a voicemail message. Hopefully you guys aren't in that camp. But why would it be the wrong thing to do to not leave a voicemail message?
It's a waste of your time, number one.
Gosh darn it, Martine, exactly right. It's a waste of your time. What are you saying about yourself? You dialed the number. You had to listen to, you've reached Matt. Your call is very important to me. Please leave a message or send a text on how I can best respond. And that's exactly what I'll do. Beep. Martine, you had to listen to that. If you don't leave a message, you've just wasted your time. Anyone else? Martine, you want to add anything to that? Anyone want to add anything to that?
Yeah, well, it's also, you could be labeled as a scammer.
100%.
So they might recognize, hey, it's that number again, and doesn't just calls and hangs up.
Yeah. It's garbage.
Get blacklisted.
Totally. This is garbage.
Most people have caller ID, so
yeah.
They're going to know you called them 10 times and didn't leave messages.
Yeah, and by the way, why are you calling them 10 times? Because somebody came up with this garbage idea that if I call Chris Truder once and don't leave a voicemail and call him right back, he's going to think my kid got in a car accident and answer my phone. I mean, I'm just going to be honest. That's the logic, guys. That is the logic. Don't recognize the number. They've called me 3 times. Somebody must be hurt. If you think that you're going to make millions of dollars a year playing around with that emotion, it's not going to happen for you. Okay? You're going to have a miserable existence in life. Because when people finally do answer the phone and you're not the school calling because their kid ate a peanut and is having an allergic reaction, they're going to treat you like absolute SHI you know what. And they should. There should be a law where you can directly punch somebody in the face if they call you 4 times and hang up just to get you to answer the 5th time thinking one of their loved ones is in trouble. You should be allowed to punch that person in the face. So what's the right thing to...
Sorry,
go ahead.
the other thing I'll add to that, Matt, is also I call a lot of mobile numbers. So I like that they're getting a text with my brief message.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's very simple. It just pops up as they're driving.
It's a billboard.
And it works.
And it works, right? And your brief message should not be a sales pitch. Should not be, if I can have 15 minutes of your time, we'd love to show you how we can save you money, save you time. Let me give you an example, right? Let them know who you are, how you're connected, and that there's something that every blank is having to deal with nobody is talking about, right? If I was Martine and I'm in the energy business and I'm calling Matt Easton and I own a logistics company. Well, let's say Martine owns the logistics company and I'm in energy. Hey, Martine, Matt Easton over here at Easton Energy. You and I are connected because I manage all of our logistics relationships in Ontario, Canada. Hey, I wanted to reach out to you personally because there is something that every logistics manager is having to deal with right now. Nobody is talking about it. I just want to make sure you were aware of it. Could you give me a call on my mobile, 720-660-3202? It's not a sales pitch. Right? I'm helping Martine out. By the way, don't do bait and switch when he calls you back. Hey, what is it? What is it? It's that I can lower your rate. Here's what's going on is the rates tend to fluctuate in the wintertime. And what a lot of people don't realize is there's the ability to lock in your rates with natural gas to where you can level set your pricing and you're not having to deal with all of the sudden right as the new year starts, January, February, March, you're already over your budget for energy. How are you guys dealing with that, by the way? Having to set budgets right now for 2025, not knowing what the weather patterns are going to be or the cost of natural gas, right? Man, I guess when you put it that way, it's pretty articulate to put it. We don't really know. We take a guess. When you take a guess, just out of curiosity, what are you putting in on your average dollar cost, right? Now Martine's having a skillful conversation, right? Another version of that could be the simple abbreviated, right? Hey, I've got an idea I wanted to get your opinion on. Was thinking about you guys today. Let them know who you are, how you're connected, and then any derivation of that is fine. Something that every small flower shop's having to deal with, nobody's talking about. In Chad Turget's case, something every real estate professional's having to deal with right now, and nobody's talking about it, right? Or, hey, I've got an idea I wanted to get your opinion on. Don't leave a mini sales pitch though. If you work in sales and you're serious about your career, I'm gonna give you $300 right here, right now, to close more deals. Did we just become best friends? I think so. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching system in the world. One little tiny piece of that sales coaching system is our mini masterclass on closing. It's $300. but I'm gonna cover the cost for you right now. I've set some money aside out of our marketing budget. If you click the link here, I will text you a code where you can go and grab the mini masterclass on closing. I'm gonna cover all of the cost for you. You pay nothing. There's no commitment on your end. My hope is that you close so much more business, you come and join us over at Easton University, but that choice is yours. If you want to double, triple, quadruple your closing right now, click the link. I will text you a code to get the Easton University mini masterclass on closing right here, right now, and I'm going to cover all the cost for you. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.